This is our 9" by 49" jet vertical milling machine. It's a model JTM-4VS. It's 3 horsepower, R8 spindle, 9 by 49 table. It's got a Newell C80 DRO, a jet power feed, also a Wilton 6" vise. I'm going to run it for you now. You can see the DRO moving wide. Moving X. I'm going to bring it on. We're in the low range. Showing power feed. So we hit the bottom, stop it out. That is nice and quiet. Going to the high range now. Head very quiet. This is our 9 by 49 jet vertical milling machine. Thank you for watching.